Hello, I'm Christina. I'm from London, UK. I came to Vinyasa Yogashala for my 200-hour basic yoga teacher training course, and it's been incredible. Right now, we're at a temple in the hills watching the sunrise, and it's one of many excursions that we've been taken on. We've also done some water rafting on the Ganga River. The whole experience has been incredible. The knowledge of the teachers, everyone who works here has been so friendly and approachable. The food has been incredible, vegetarian food, which is super healthy and it changes every day. The accommodation was really nice. I had my own room with a balcony, and the view from the Yogashala is also really beautiful and inspiring. So my favorite classes were the Hatha Yoga and the Vinyasa and Ashtanga. The teachers really stretch you and they know exactly how to correct and how to teach corrections as well. We had some exams yesterday, and again, the teachers were really supportive, and next week we're going to be teaching our own classes, which I can't wait for. So definitely recommend Vinyasa Yogashala.